Good morning. Today I am excited to talk about what I got here in this box. So this company, Zoes Deco, reached out to me, and if you don't know, I need to give you a little backstory if you have not been following me. So I lived in a van full time for 3.5 years, and this past April, my mom is 95, she's going to be 96, and I had to stay home and to help take care of her. I moved her into assisted living, and so that's where I'm at. And so I was renting a room for a while, and as you see behind me, I finally got my own place. It's the first time in 4 years that I have my own place, and I'm actually excited to be here. I sold the van. I had to sell the van. But when I moved into the van, I got rid of everything, couches, my bed, everything you can think of. And then when I moved out of the van, I got rid of everything in there because when I rented the room, I didn't need that stuff because it was already furnished. And so I had no silverware, nothing to my name as far as living in a space goes. And so Zoes Deco had reached out to me. And if you don't know, my aesthetic is very like beachy vibe. Blue is my favorite color. I redid the van all by myself. So I'm going to show you a before and after here of how I decorated the van so you can see my aesthetic. So you see, like, I don't live by a beach. I live in Minnesota. We have over 10,000 lakes. So I love the water. Plus, I'm a Scorpio. And the beach, it would be my ideal place to live by. But because I don't live by a beach, I love to bring the beach vibes to me. And so I'm going to first show you about this company. This is hand painted. And so I'm going to show you what this company does, what Zoes Deco does with art. In a prestigious art studio, a group of passionate and talented artists have come together. Their dream is to create beautiful art and ensure it reaches every corner of the world. They realize that many artworks are priced so high that only a few can afford them. The team is committed to making art accessible to all. Thus, they established Zoes Deco, an online art store. They upload their works to the website and promote them to art lovers worldwide through social media platforms. They understand that high-quality artwork often deters people due to its steep price. To break this barrier, they are committed to maintaining the quality of their artwork while reducing costs to offer more affordable prices to art enthusiasts. They select the finest materials and employ the most advanced techniques to ensure that each piece showcases its intended beauty and value. Each painting is 100% handmade and has a 30-day hassle-free return. Okay, now I'm so excited. I am going to open this and see it for the first time myself. All right. And it's in a frame, a beautiful white frame. Put this over here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can see it in the camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll let this go. Look at this. I'm gonna take the bubble wrap off. Hold on. I just want to tell you that I actually got emotional, like I wanted to cry. as I was opening this because it exceeded my expectations, and it is so beautiful. It's more than I could have even asked for. And I'm going to show you closer because it's textured, and I want to see you to see like just the full beauty of it. And it's hand painted by someone. An artist actually did this. It's not a copy of anything. An artist actually painted this specifically for me. So I'm going to bring you closer and show you it up close so you can see the texture in this. Doesn't that feel, and it's exactly what I wanted, it feels like you are literally right by the ocean, that you could walk into that painting and you would be there. And so, can you see, like, this is textured here. And it is so beautiful. It emotes the feelings of exactly what I was looking for. And it comes with a bag with everything that you need to hang it, even a glove. And the back of the frame, you can see how well it's made here. The canvas and how sturdy the frame is. So as you can see, I just moved in this week. As I said, it's a little bigger task than I thought, recouping everything. That's my bedroom back there. I just ordered my bed and it won't come for like another week. But I do have a couch, and I don't know. So either when I get my bed, I'm going to have it put over the bed, or I'm going to keep it in here and I'm going to hang it over the couch. So I'm going to show you right now how I have it. So imagine it hung, about a foot or so above that couch. It's going to look so good. And I'm DIYing, as you can see. It's an older place. It's a condo. And I am retiling. I have to go buy more tiles today. But I love everything bright and white and blue and beachy. So it's gonna help me decorate things. It gives me inspiration for the rest of the house to decorate it. So I'm going to be taking you along this journey with me of recouping everything in my life, making this my safe haven. And I just want to say thank you to Zoes Deco for really, this is truly inspiring for me as far as decorating goes. And I'll be talking about them more coming up in future videos because I'm going to take you along with me as I do this step by step, and we'll find out where that's going to end up. So I am excited, but it truly gives me inspiration for this space. So thanks, Zoes Deco. I'm going to put all the information down below so you yourself can get a one-of-a-kind painted for you painting like this. What a great idea this is. And again, it made me emotional just to see how beautiful. I feel like I can step into that painting and be right there on the beach. So I am so grateful for them reaching out and gifting me this. And yeah, so thank you. All right, you know what to do. Go out and make an adventure, no matter how big or how small. You don't have to sell everything and move into a van. You can get yourself a painting and feel like you're right on the beach. That's all you need. Go call someone you love, and please, please, please do not forget your magic. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.